Hey everyone, welcome to Project Melanin Beauty. My name is Nicole Webster and I am your host. I created Project Melanin Beauty to empower black women and girls to feel beautiful and confident in their skin and to define beauty by their own standards. In celebration of Black History Month, I'll be featuring 28 beautiful black women releasing one makeover video every day of the month to bring you easy, gorgeous makeup tutorials and a little inspiration as we celebrate the magic in our melanin. Stay tuned to hear what these beautiful ladies have to say about beauty, confidence, and being a black woman. Hey everyone, welcome back to another PMB video. I'm with the lovely Swila, and this time we're going in with another monochromatic look. And actually, after I finished her look, I realized that it actually matched her shirt, which was not intentional, but it looks so beautiful. So I'm going in with foundation as I always do, and I'm using a foundation brush to apply my cream foundation this time. And then I'm going to use my Real Technique sponge to blend out the concealer that I applied to the center of her face. Alright, so moving on to brows. Swila has really pretty full and gorgeous shaped brows, so we're just going to fill in just a little sparse areas at the tail of her brow with my brow pencil in brunette. And I'm going to go in and set with a brow mascara. Moving on to eyes, we are using one eyeshadow on the lid, and I'm using this really pretty burgundy tone from the Soft Petals palette, and I'm applying that all over the lid, and then I'm going to blend it out into the crease. I'm also bringing that color down to the lower lash line. I'm going to wrap it right around to the inner corner. Under the brow, I'm going in with a shimmery shadow from the palette, and I'm just applying that to the brow bone, and I'm going to blend it down into the crease. Lastly, to define her eyes, I'm going in with Black Caviar gel pencil, and I'm applying that to the upper lash line, and I'm also going to apply it to the waterline. And to finish off the eyes, we're going in with a couple coats of mascara, and I'm using Intense Lash. Alright, so onto blush. I'm using Drizzle, one of my favorite blushes. I actually use this every day on myself. It's a really pretty mauvish brown blush with slight shimmer in it. Really love it. And then on the cheekbones, I'm just using a shimmery highlighter from our Quattro palette. Lastly, on the lips, I am going in with our lip gloss called High Speed, a really pretty plum burgundy lip gloss. And there you guys have it, the finished look. Doesn't Swila look so beautiful? I love this look. I actually love how it matches her shirt as well.
Wow, so beautiful. Oh, chic mama. Thank you, thank you. I feel beautiful, sexy. Look how glossy my lips are. It's beautiful. Well, something that makes me feel comfortable in my skin is something that fits me, something that speaks to me, that goes with me. Say, I like being natural, I love it. but enhancing my makeup is also beautiful. It shapes me, who I am, how I am. Say like I like edgy makeup or I like basic makeup, so it kind of, you know, tell people my story, who I am, how that my appearance, it kind of tells people who I am, how I look like, my personality. So yeah, so this makeup is lovely and I think it's a part of me. What I love about being a black woman, it's bravery, strong, ability to try something different, like dare to be blonde. You know, I'm a blonde and I'm trying, I'm rocking it. People look at me like, well, you're a black woman, like you're trying on blonde hair. I'm like, no, I gotta try it because I'm very daring. I have to try it. You know, I get white folks telling me, oh, your hair is look nice. You know, they're trying to intimidate you like, hey, you're black. You're not supposed to have blonde hair. I'm like, I don't care. I can do whatever I want. I do whatever I feel. So it's about strength, bravery, courage. You know, believe you can do it. And slay it. Beauty, it's about being natural, you know. Everybody can wear makeup, but you have to wear in a way like you look presentable, you know, like if it's a 12-year-old girl, I'll say stick with your true self, and as you go up with your age, you can try something little by little, but it's more about being natural. Being natural.